Hey everyone, so welcome back. After a long time, I am making this video. So, basically, in this video, we are going to talk about the new extension I created, which is called the Equilix. Let me show you the screen. So, I basically created a VS Code extension that will solve your uh, warnings that basically enhance your coding experience. So basically what it do, it is the alternative of fixing all your ESLint warnings. This is the alternative of using ESLint, right? So I created an extension called Equilix. As you can see on my screen, it is called Equilix, and it's the readme of my. You can go to my GitHub. I will share the link of this GitHub profile in my description, and you can go to this and you can read this readme, and you will understand what this extension is. The main aim of creating this video is to show how actually Equilix work and how you can install it and how this will actually eliminate the manual ESLint setup, as you can see on the screen. So I have created a pretty good readme file, and you can read it and you can understand what this extension actually do. So the screen right now you are seeing is of VS Code, and this is a React.js project, and you can see here that this is a app.js in which I have written a small function, right? And this function consists two conditions. So basically the main in this here I will tell you what this extension do, what is the main purpose of this extension. So as you can see, there is a problem in using double equals to and triple equals to, right? So let me show you through this code. If I open my terminal, right? If I open my terminal and just go to here, as you can see, here it says expected triple equals to instead of saw double equals to. So basically it's saying that you should use triple equals to, and you should use here this not double equals to instead of not single equals to, right? So basically double equals to just compare your value, not type, and triple equals to solve this. Triple equals to compare your double type as well as the value. So let me show you in this code. Here I have written a is equals to b and b is equals to b. Sorry, a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 10, and b is equals to 10 in string form. So basically what it will do, it will say true because we are using double equals to. So let me show you in the console, and you can see here it says true, right? In the same form, if I just write here triple equals to, now it will say now that warning removed, right? Now that warning removed, and you can see in the command terminal it says warning in ESLint. So basically ESLint is a type of dependency which will solve all your these types of warning. This is a one type of warning. It consists many other warnings that you have to just download the script of that command in your package.json right here, and then you have to run ESLint fix, and it will fix all your warnings. But see, as a beginner, I don't want to do that. I don't want to waste my time doing that. And as a beginner, you are much habitual of using double equals to instead of triple equals to. So imagine you are working on a project and you created 50-30 components, and you are using conditions a lot of times, and you are using double equals to instead of triple equals to. So your terminal will be filled with all these types of warning. Now you don't want to just download that script and then run ESLint fix. It will take a lot of time for each individual file. So basically I solved this problem. I created an extension called Equilix. Now to download that extension, go to the extension in the VS Code and write here Equilix. And you will see extension called Equilix by Xgen called, and then go here and install it. Now this is the extension which will solve all your these types of warning. But how? Like it will solve. So basically it will solve, as you can see in the readme. Let me show you. As you can see here, it returns that it will solve automatically on save. So like if you are a developer and you must have worked on Prettier. So basically what it do on save, as soon as you save it, your all code got formatted, right? According to the extension you are using. So basically it works same as well. So let me show you, and let me close this and just go to the here. Let me redo this. So as you can see right now, it has double equals to and not double equals to. So it is not working right now. Okay, on save it should have make it triple equals to, and it should have make it double equals to, minus not equals to, double equals to. So basically it's not working. Now what is the alternative? Just go to the command palette. You can open the command palette by using Control Shift P, and then as you can see here it comes Equilix convert code. Then you can click on it, say OK, and as soon as you did this, now the extension is enabled. So as you can see, it will show you it convert double equals to triple equals to, and not single equals to double equals to. Plus I have made this feature in this extension that it will also show you that Equilix fixed line number 7 and 10. So it will also give you a feedback on which line it converted the double equals to triple equals to, or the other thing. So let me show you again. Let me write a else condition here. Now this is the thing. Now s it's a double equals to, right? So it will not check whether it's the type or the value. Now as soon as I save this, as you can see it converted double equals to triple equals to, and it gave a feedback that Equilix fixed line number 13. So you can look whether it correctly converted it or not. So it will give you a feedback in the form. So this is the extension I created, and now as you can go in the terminal, and now you can see it must have removed all your warnings, right? So it's not running right now. So let me run it. So basically, as you can see, it removed all your warning. Now there is no warning is coming, and you can see in the console as well it says false, which is correct, which is A is not equals to B, so it says false, right? So this is all about the extension I created. So you can of course go to the GitHub, open its readme and read its whole readme. I have explained each and everything, and plus if you want to contribute it, I'm not making this extension just limited to this functionality only. I want you to add more and more features, and I'm looking forward to adding more features like convert let to constant and var to constant, right, automatically on save, and some more other features which makes this extension more useful to use. So of course you can go here, you can create an issue if you see something, if you go it, test it, install it in your VS Code, test it, run it, and if you see something wrong in this, if it's not working somewhere, then you can of course come here and open an issue. If you want to improve it, you can just go to pull request and create a pull request. And if you want to read anything about it, if you want to how to install it or anything about it, so you can just go to the readme, and I have explained each and everything about it, like how to contribute and all of this. So this is all about the Equilix, the extension I created to eliminate manual ESLint setup. As you can see here, help me to improve Equilix extension so that we can also use this. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this extension. Use this extension in your projects, test it, create issue, create pull request, anything you want to do. So goodbye and have a nice day.